At number 1, we have the Empava Flex Induction Cooktop. This compact 2-burner unit works as both a countertop and drop-in model, delivering up to 1,800 watts of power using advanced electromagnetic technology. Unlike traditional stoves, it heats cookware directly, not the glass surface. That means faster boiling times and serious energy efficiency. You get excellent control with 18 power and temperature levels, plus 3 handy preset modes: melt, keep warm, and simmer. From gently melting chocolate to keeping stew perfectly warm, each mode is designed for effortless precision in everyday cooking. A long timer, built-in pan sensor, pause function, and child safety lock make it both smart and safe. The smooth glass surface is also incredibly easy to clean. And with power-sharing technology, you get consistent performance whether you're using one burner or both. Perfect for small kitchens, RVs, tiny homes, or just extra cooking power on busy days. The Empava Flex Induction Cooktop. Precise, safe, and modern performance for everyday meal prep.
At number 2, we have the TMOST Glass Teapot. Made from durable, heat-resistant borosilicate glass, it lets you watch the beautiful colors of blooming or loose-leaf teas as they steep. Its clever spout infuser design traps leaves or fruit slices while delivering a smooth, drip-free pour. It is stovetop safe, so you can heat water directly in the pot and reduce extra dishes. Elegant and practical, it elevates both quiet morning tea rituals and hosting guests, combining visual appeal with functional brewing for everyday tea lovers.
At number 3, we have the Kerilyn Deep Fryer Pot. This Japanese-style pot features a built-in thermometer for precise temperature control, taking the guesswork out of frying. Its ingenious draining rack lifts food out of the oil for crispier, less greasy results. Plus, a curved spout ensures clean, mess-free pouring every time. Made from food-grade 304 stainless steel, it works on any cooktop and fits perfectly in any modern kitchen. Get restaurant-quality fries, chicken, and tempura, all from a compact, powerful stovetop pot. The Kerilyn Deep Fryer Pot.
Tired of this? At number 4, we have the Baetle Oil Splatter Guard, the kitchen game changer you've been waiting for. This practical accessory fits most standard pans, blocking grease and splatters during high heat cooking while letting steam escape for perfect searing. Its durable, heat-resistant construction protects your stovetop and your skin from painful oil pops. No more sharp edges or flimsy parts. Perfect for searing steaks, frying chicken, or simmering sauces on gas, electric, or glass-top stoves. The easy-to-clean surface makes cleanup faster, and it folds flat for super easy storage. Plus, you get a bonus BPA-free silicone spoon rest. The Baetle Splatter Guard significantly reduces mess and scrubbing time. Get yours now.
At number 5, we have the Balter Touchscreen Toaster. The Balter Touchscreen Toaster is a stylish stainless steel countertop appliance with wide, long slots that easily handle thick artisanal bread, bagels, and oversized pastries. It offers dedicated functions including a specialized bagel setting and precise control via a modern touchscreen interface. Plus, a built-in warming rack for gently heating croissants or buns. A removable crumb tray ensures quick cleanup. Combining contemporary looks with multifunctional performance, it delivers evenly browned results for the whole family. It streamlines busy morning breakfast routines with minimal effort.
At number 6, we have the Homaider electric knife. This versatile, time-saving tool reduces hand fatigue when carving and slicing, making it perfect for big family feasts. It features a comfortable ergonomic handle that ensures the knife doesn't slip even during extended use. It comes with 2 specialized reciprocating blades, one for meats and another for softer items like bread or cakes. The dual blades allow effortless, precise, uniform cuts without crushing delicate loaves or struggling with thick meats. Suitable for holiday turkeys or weekly meal prep portions, it delivers professional-grade results with minimal physical effort.
At number 10, we have the KitchenAid Classic Multifunction Can Opener. This heavy-duty essential features a durable, razor-sharp stainless steel cutting wheel that glides through cans of all sizes with ease. The oversized, easy-to-turn knob and soft-touch ergonomic handles provide a secure, comfortable grip for anyone to use. Plus, a built-in bottle opener offers the convenience of two tools in one, perfect for any gathering. Crafted from high-quality materials, this is a tool built to withstand the rigors of everyday use in your kitchen. The KitchenAid Classic Multifunction Can Opener, reliable durability for the meals and memories you make at home.
At number 8, we have the QIBOX 2-in-1 Snow Cone Machine. This countertop powerhouse is both a snow cone machine and a high-powered blender, saving you valuable space. Its 700W motor and stainless steel blades create the perfect, fine, and fluffy texture. Unlike the competition, perfect for snow cones, smoothies, slushies, and frozen cocktails. It's the ultimate summer appliance for any party or family treat, and it's incredibly easy to use. Just 3 simple steps to fresh, homemade treats in minutes. Plus, cleanup is a breeze with all detachable parts being dishwasher safe. The QIBOX 2-in-1 Snow Cone Machine. Bring the cafe home and create sweet memories anytime.
At number 9, we have the GDL Rotary Cheese Grater. This clever, hand-safe kitchen accessory eliminates the tedium and mess of traditional grating. It comes with interchangeable stainless steel drum blades that handle everything from fine shreds to coarse grating and slicing with a simple turn of the handle. Watch how the secure suction base locks firmly onto the countertop for stability, keeping your fingers safely away from the sharp blades. This efficient tool speeds up meal prep significantly, producing evenly textured results that melt and cook uniformly, ideal for mozzarella on pizza night or fresh salads. Easy to clean and highly practical for daily use. Upgrade your kitchen with GDL today.
At number 10, we have the Ioion electric salt and pepper shakers. The Ioion electric salt and pepper shakers offer modern, effortless seasoning with one-handed operation. Powered by batteries, they feature adjustable coarseness levels so you can switch from fine for soups and dressings to coarse for steaks and BBQ. Built-in LED lights help you see exactly how much seasoning you're adding, even in low light. The larger capacity design reduces frequent refills, and ceramic grinding mechanisms deliver consistent, even results. These automatic grinders make seasoning convenient during cooking, grilling, or dining, and are a thoughtful upgrade for any kitchen.
At number 11, we have the Amzcku Glass Pitcher with lid. This isn't just a pitcher, it's a statement piece. Its stylish vintage fluted design and elegant gold accents elevate any table setting. With a generous 68-ounce capacity, it's perfect for family use or entertaining a crowd. Crafted from heat-resistant glass, it safely handles everything from hot coffee to refreshing iced tea and cold brew. The leak-resistant lid and comfortable handle make pouring a mess-free pleasure, whether it's lemonade, juice, or iced coffee. From summer barbecues to cozy winter evenings, it's the perfect companion for any gathering or daily refreshment. Plus, the wide mouth makes it incredibly easy to clean, and it's even dishwasher safe for added convenience. If you're looking for a versatile glass pitcher that blends timeless style with everyday function, the Amzcku is a top contender.
At number 12, we have the Klaif Pizza Countertop Oven. This compact powerhouse brings authentic pizzeria-style cooking right to your countertop. Its 1200W dual heating system reaches blistering temperatures up to 800 degree indoors in minutes. The ceramic stone ensures even heat distribution for that perfect crispy crust every time. Take full control with independent top and bottom temperature settings for the perfect golden finish. Monitor your masterpiece with the built-in thermometer and convenient viewing window. It even comes with all the essential accessories you'll need. The Klaif pizza oven. Crispy, restaurant-style pizza and more, made easily at home.
At number 13, we have the AROMA electric rice cooker. This compact and reliable multi-cooker is ideal for individuals, couples, or small families. With one-touch operation, it automatically switches to keep warm when your food is ready. The non-stick inner pot, with handy water lines, ensures consistent results every time. Some versions are even PFAS-free. It's not just for rice. Make oatmeal, soup, steam veggies, or even slow cook a delicious meal. Enjoy fluffy rice with minimal monitoring and incredibly easy cleaning. The AROMA electric rice cooker, making everyday cooking simple and convenient.
At number 14, we have the Eggssentials Poached Egg Maker. This stainless steel stovetop pan is your key to perfect poached eggs every single time. Its multiple PFOA-free non-stick cups are designed to hold even the largest eggs. The tempered glass lid with a steam vent lets you monitor your eggs as they cook to perfection. Built with a heavy-duty body and even heating bottom, it works on all cooktops, including Induction. The cool touch handle ensures safe and easy handling from stovetop to table. Once done, the removable cups make serving a breeze. No mess, no fuss. Create consistent restaurant-quality results for Eggs Benedict, healthy breakfasts, or delicious egg bites. And cleanup is simple, with dishwasher-safe options available for your convenience. The Eggssentials Poached Egg Maker. Make perfectly poached eggs easier.
At number 15, we have the OXO Corn Prep Peeler. This simple, effective tool features a non-slip ergonomic handle for comfortable control and a sharp, curved Japanese stainless steel blade. It glides along the cob, removing kernels quickly with minimal waste or mess. Perfect for raw or cooked corn, it avoids the need for knives and messy cutting boards, making summer corn preparation fast, safe, and efficient for salads, salsas, or sides. And the best part, the entire tool is dishwasher safe.
At number 16, we have the KOBACH pressure cooker. This isn't just any pressure cooker. It's a game changer for your kitchen. The genius is in the design. Lock and unlock the lid with just one hand. It's that simple. With multiple safety valves and overpressure protection, you can cook with total peace of mind. Reaching up to 17 psi, it locks in flavor and saves you up to 70% on cooking time for delicious meals. Perfect for hearty stews, beans, and tender meats. It's your one-pot solution for any meal. And the best part, the durable stainless steel construction is completely dishwasher safe. No matter what kind of cooktop you have, the KOBACH is ready for action. Professional performance, modern safety, and incredible convenience. The KOBACH pressure cooker is a must-have.
At number 17, we have the Presto FryDaddy Electric Deep Fryer. This compact, best-selling fryer makes 4 big servings with just 4 cups of oil, saving you space and money. It automatically maintains the ideal frying temperature, so there are no controls to adjust. Just plug it in and go. Perfect for French fries, chicken, shrimp, onion rings, and more, delivering consistently crispy results every time. It even comes with a handy scoop for easy lifting, draining, and serving. The nonstick interior and exterior make cleanup a breeze, and the snap-on lid allows for safe oil storage and reuse. The Presto FryDaddy. Crispy food, less oil, less hassle. An easy choice for any kitchen.